this puppy on. Okay, so generally you're supposed to fucking put in like hand tight and then come back and torque it to the correct spec. So I guess I will do that. Hand tie, boys. Okay, so we are back to do more Jay-Z stuff. I got all the oil pan pieces out and I'm going to clean them with some parts cleaner. I'll come back when I'm putting these on. Thank you. We do the lower oil pan. I could have cleaned it better, but the insides parts are clean. They don't look clean, but they are. So this is front sump. This is the front end of the engine. So it goes on like this. Just like that. Set it on a clean looking part of my 350. Fuck them. I can just clean it later. Just let me know so I you leave. Just let me lose interest. You won't find a better than this. I swear, girl, if you leave, just let me know so I you leave. Just let me lose interest. You won't find a better than this. I swear, girl, if you leave, just let me know so I you leave. Just let me lose interest. You won't find a better than this. I swear, girl, if you leave, just let me know so I you
This blue eye perceives all things conjoined, the past, the future, and the present. Everything flows, and all is connected. This eye is not merely seeing reality, it is touching the truth. Nothing to fear.
Discover. I know this one goes here, but like, is there something else that goes in there? Oh yeah, fucking idiot. This guy. This fucking guy.
bit tonight before I go. I'm gonna put this lower oil pan on, and I guess go ahead.
I see what you mean.
That shit is mint, brother. All of this is actually a little bit too tight, but I'm calling it good. That's an evening. Thank you guys for viewing. I know I look awful, but the JZ is mostly put together. Tomorrow I will put the head cylinder on, and I should put the water pump and, you know, a bunch of other stuff. We'll see how far we get. Yeah, so have a good night, and thank you for watching